Good morning. Oh, whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Our first experience of snow of the year has been in New Hampshire.
We are in New Hampshire right now, and yeah, it's cold. It's like 18 degrees, and there are 35-mile-an-hour winds. And then that's what I saw in the weather this morning. And then I get outside, and it snowed. Marty the Mazda is covered in snow. Well, not really, but it's definitely a snow on it. So that kind of changes plans for today, but we're gonna hit the road. All right, we're Dunkin' Donuts in North Conway. I know. I know it's 18 and snowing, but gotta have my iced coffee. Yeah, so I don't know what we're doing yet. We're gonna drive back to Echo Lake State Park. That's what we had in mind the whole time. There was this one place called Diana's Bath we're gonna go to, but it's like a mile walk back there, so I'm not sure how that's gonna work out because none of us dressed for this. We didn't bring the right clothes for any of this.
Mid-October, you don't think of
Well, I looked at the
18 degrees and snow and cold.
I looked at the forecast and it did not say this. I looked for the week. I understand it changes like city sidewalks, busy. In the air, there's a feeling of Christmas.
Absolutely.
So we're at this, it's in North Conway, it's a train station. But
The scenic railroad.
the way the snow is blowing off, it felt like the Polar Express already. Yeah, this town would be so cool at Christmas time. Like, I literally am in the Christmas spirit right now. Train station.
They don't open,
All aboard!
so we can't go inside.
Did you get your ticket punched? Have you got your ticket?
I don't have my ticket.
I want some hot cocoa now. Remember the 4D theater where you could smell the cocoa?
Yeah, that was so cool.
That was really cool. But yeah, I mean, but yeah, it's definitely snowing. So this railroad really has me in the Christmas spirit. And I know it's October, but hey, it's never too early.
Well, sometimes.
Yeah, but all right, off to the next stop. Here's the music playing.
Yep.
It's fun to frolic.
They're gonna think some weird.
I know.
They're in a parking lot area frolicking around. Huh?
So cool, you can see the mountain.
Made it to Echo Lake.
Yep, we're at Echo Lake in New Hampshire there in the White Mountains. And it is a beautiful view, but man, it is cold.
During the summer, they'll actually, this is like their beach that they swim in right now. It's hard to believe because it's so cold, but no, this would be really, really pretty in the summertime.
All right, we're leaving here now. Are we going to Diana's Bath?
It's too cold.
Yeah, I mean, it's like a mile walk back in the woods. And we're in woods right now, and the wind is just whipping through the trees. So
I mean, we're pretty protected with the trees, and it's still whipping through here.
my ears are cold.
It's so adorable. You can come get blueberry, raspberry, blackberry, peach, and strawberry rhubarb jam any time of the year. It's a little honor system, so got it right here. And it's homemade too, so this is adorable. I don't really know where I pay for it, but oh my gosh, they have strawberry jam, which that's what I really, really wanted. Oh, you put the money there and get your little strawberry jam. It's like a little bar. That's literally the cutest thing I've ever seen. In the words of Chris Traeger.
Alright, we're driving through White Mountain National Forest right now. And you know, one thing on this trip I did not expect is snow and icy roads. And they salted them, but man, that parking lot was pretty, kind of slick. I know Abby didn't want to get out in the snow. Surprisingly, the wind has died right here, but yeah, that's pretty.
To Vermont. So now we gotta go take a little picture. No, he's gonna beat me. Dang it.
I beat you into Vermont.
Usually I beat him. Most of the time.
Wow, I know. I shouldn't say that kind of stuff like that. You are abusive.
Oh, whatever. All right, next up, something nutritious for lunch, which I believe dairy is a very important food group, so that is what we'll be getting. We made it.
We're getting ready to do the factory tour from Ben & Jerry's. Just saw how it was made, how it's manufactured.
We're trying a Ben & Jerry's classic flavor today. It's called Triple Caramel Chunk. Cookie goes down everywhere. Whoop! Did you get that on video?
I did actually. Is it good?
When we introduced Ben & Jerry's to Japan, they hated ours.
This is triple caramel chunk. There was the sign that said broccoli, broccoli cheddar chunk, and she played it for a while, and said that they actually did it 2 years ago, and it ended up selling out.
For an April Fool's joke.
Yeah, for an April Fool's joke tour, but yeah, it sold out because everybody wanted it. So this is
the quality control. This is where the people literally have dream jobs of eating ice cream all day long.
taste testing it. Top 10 best-selling ice cream, and Half Baked is #1. Oh, Cherry Garcia, see that's #2, and that's...
I don't really like that one.
I don't like cherry. But the Tonight Dough is #3.
That probably would be good.
Oh, I'm sure it is. Yeah, I think we're gonna buy some ice cream now. Is that what you're gonna get?
Probably.
You're getting one.
And the best part, you know when you need to refill.
What, now?
Now we feast.
Well, let me do the chocolate dough thing.
The chocolate cookie dough as well?
Yeah.
Right.
So 2 the Tonight Dough and then 1.
Cookie dough.
Yeah.
Anything else you guys today?
That'll be it.
We 11.60.
Okay. What is it? Cookie dough?
Cookie dough.
I got chocolate chip cookie dough and the Tonight dough. 2 in 1 scoop.
The cows are all an important part of this whole process.
They are. How is it?
Perfect.
What's the chocolate?
It's chocolate fudge brownie and cookie dough. This book was their little notebook for like their ingredients for some of the ice creams.
Really? Uncle Ben's Delight. They said in the video this was the original store. It's an old gas station that doesn't exist anymore.
In '83, they did over 27,000 pounds of Ben & Jerry's ice cream, and it made the world's largest ice cream sundae.
Holy crap.
Look at that. That's insane.
Yeah. Shaka bra. It's definitely not ice cream weather.
Not ideal.
You can see the snow.
I'm going to take you on a little tour how to make little cookie dough ice cream sandwiches. First up, you need your ingredients. Okay, those don't work. Turn it on. Have them go.
They getting stamped
Yep.
and packaged. Wow.
And that is called the Ben & Jerry's Innovation
Oh,
Station.
yeah, the pint slice.
When we go on vacation, what do we get? We get little mugs and we get bowls
I know, and stickers.
and stickers.
I don't get postcards. I mean, that's what Instagram's for. Through the flavor graveyard. Just in time for Halloween.
For all the flavors that have died. Aww.
Dave Matthews Band.
Really?
Is that for his career or for his ice cream flavor? A bucket. Wow. Now when the sweaty balls gotta go. Yeah, I don't know where I was going with that. I can see why a lot of these flavors, you know, got put down. But yeah, that's funny. In case you didn't know, Sweaty Balls is from Saturday Night Live. It's an old skit back when Saturday Night Live was actually good. Okay, so we did the factory tour. We got a free sample of ice cream. We got our own ice cream. We bought some bowls to take home with us
And stickers.
and now we are heading to Burton Snowboards, Burlington, Vermont right now, and we're getting ready to go into Burton Snowboard headquarters. They're sponsoring me, so we're here to talk business.
That would be awesome.
Yeah, right. That's so cool. It makes us want to get all new gear. Okay,
That's the one.
that's the one.
I gotta go, but then
Yeah, that's
it
really
matches.
nice. Pretty dope. Actually, that was a sweet
That was
store.
successful.
Very successful. I got the sweatshirt I saw it online like, I don't know, a couple months ago. And I haven't bought it yet, and I mean, perfect place
Bought
to
it
buy
now.
it. Yeah, I had to buy it at the flagship store. Yeah, this is awesome. Okay, so that was a story to come here. So we looked up this place called Sleepy Hollow Farm. Apparently it's very famous and I have seen it online before. This was like a one-way dirt road all the way, I don't know, probably like 3 miles. No, probably longer than that. Probably.
Yeah, definitely longer than that.
Yeah, it's probably
7 miles.
Yeah. But we made it. We missed the sunlight though. But we got here a little late. Yeah, but I recorded the whole drive here, so I will put that in the video as well. But yeah, this is, I mean, it's very pretty though.
Definitely think it's private property.
Well, it is. Okay, so we're gonna get a few pics and then head out. Alright, so we just took pictures and we literally, I just met some guy who has the same exact camera and lens as mine, which I know it's not crazy, but I don't know a whole lot of people that have the Sony A7R Mark II with the 24-105 f4 lens, so I think it's pretty cool. Alright, we drove from Vermont to Utica, New York, where we are tonight, and had to stop and get some Applebee's for dinner. I got something, barbecue brisket tacos, and these wonton tacos, and then soup. But those are so good.
I know, I told you.
You did tell me. Good morning, and our last morning, unfortunately, but we're in Utica right now, and we're gonna go try and steal a printer from Karen Filippelli from Dunder Mifflin, Utica, because we are in Utica, New York right now, and this is the same spot where, well, this is
same exact spot.
This is the same town. Jim, Dwight, and Michael went to Dunder Mifflin, Utica to steal a printer to play a sick prank, but Karen caught Jim in the car. But that's where we're at right now, and we're getting ready to hit the road, but we gotta get some Dunkin' Donuts. Hopefully.
Breakfast.
So far in this trip, we went through Nashua, which is where Holly transferred, and then we went through Stamford, which is where Jim originally transferred. So definitely a lot of office reference towns up here. So anywho, we are going to hit the road and head home. And this drive's kind of boring through New York, so I just need to hop in here real fast and just say that these Dunkin' Donuts hash browns are literally the best freaking... Yeah, they are freaking unbelievable. I mean, they're like the best thing since... They're really good. No, they're awesome. It's the best part. Like, I wasn't even that hungry, but we just got them because I don't want to not have them every time I'm in a Dunkin' Donuts. Anyways, toodles!